Hello everyone, my name is Dexter Zhu-Ming. I came from Communication University of China. Today it is my great honor that this video can be presented in front of you and hope that this video can tell you more about myself. So since I'm pretty interested in magic tricks, today I'm going to show different aspects of my life by using this magic hat. So the first thing I'm going to present you is a microphone. So this represents my major, which is English Broadcasting and Anchoring. I was admitted by this program in 2011, and after 4 years of study, I have hugely improved my communication skills in presenting ideas in front of others. And what's more, by studying English, I have a deeper understanding of the Western cultures and also elevated my English skills. My university enables me to have more contact with the media and also a better understanding of the current media situation in China. Therefore, when conducting marketing plans, I can provide advices to better off the execution of a marketing plan. And the next thing I'm going to present to you are the souvenirs I collected from all over the world, the tumblers from Starbucks. The first one, Thailand. Second one, London. Third one, Hong Kong, China. And the fourth one, Scotland. And also Vegas in America. Edinburgh, Wuhan in China. Paris, Manchester, Belfast. Okay, so these are all the tumblers I bought from different parts of the world. So I'm crazy about traveling to different places. By doing so, I can experience different views and talk with different people. So therefore, I can have a better understanding about their local culture. Well, as for me, experiencing culture is the first cause that pushes me out of my house and try to seek interesting things in other places. This, I think, will eventually elevate my ideological realm and benefit my future career in conducting globalized marketing plan. So the next thing I'm going to present to you is my delegate badge of the 2014 APAC. In 2014, after several rounds of competition, I finally made myself as one of the 5 youth delegates to represent China to attend the 2014 APAC CEO Summit. So this is the most precious experience I got during these 4 years. All those competitions that I've gone through are tough and torturing. I have to prepare lots of things related with APAC and also fight with others in order to stand out from those 13,000 college students. So this experience hugely improved my ability in researching and presenting proposals. The final round of this competition is Business Challenge, which aims to expose us to the real business world. This elevated my ability in communication skills and also leadership. The 2014 APAC gave me a great opportunity to interact with those successful entrepreneurs and also listen to the strategies brought up by the statesmen from 21 economies. I also witnessed the new visa policy brought up by President Barack Obama. So this platform broadened my horizons and also makes me to look further with the guidance from those successful entrepreneurs. So the last thing I'm going to present to you is a car. This is exactly the thing that caused my interest in marketing. Well, that is my freshman year when I was browsing the history of my dream car, the Ford Mustang. I was lured by the marketing plan that Ford adopted. So that is when I found my interest in marketing. So as for my career goal after graduation, I would like to join a car company to promote their brand recognition. And also as for my ultimate career goal, I would like to establish my own systematical marketing theory and also making China's leading position in the whole Asia Pacific region in terms of marketing. Okay, that's all for this video, and hope you enjoy my story and my magic hat. Wish I could see you in America. Goodbye.